Welcome back to the Ministry of AI podcast, where we dive deep into the latest breakthroughs and research in artificial intelligence. Today, we're exploring a fascinating study titled Beware of Metacognitive Laziness: Effects of Generative Artificial Intelligence on Learning Motivation, Processes, and Performance, authored by Yizhou Fan, Luzhen Tang, and colleagues. This research unravels the intriguing dynamic between humans and AI in educational settings, particularly focusing on how tools like ChatGPT are changing the way we learn. Imagine a world where AI is a collaborative learning partner to students, enhancing their skills and knowledge. Sounds exciting, right? But there's a catch. Could this dependence lead to a sort of intellectual laziness? This study sets out to understand just that: how generative AI affects student motivation and learning processes. The research team conducted a randomized experimental study with 117 university students. Participants were divided into groups: those using ChatGPT, interacting with human experts, relying on a writing analytics toolkit, and a control group with no additional support. The objective was to see differences in motivation, self-regulated learning processes, and performance in a writing task. And what did they find? Interestingly, while the ChatGPT group showed significant improvements in essay scores, their intrinsic motivation wasn't notably different from those in other groups. This suggests that while AI can boost short-term performance, it may not necessarily encourage deeper, self-directed learning or motivation. Moreover, the study highlighted a critical issue termed metacognitive laziness. As students leaned on AI, they often bypassed essential cognitive processes like self-evaluation and monitoring. This reliance can hinder long-term learning, as students might not fully engage in critical thinking and problem-solving. In terms of methodology, the researchers parsed learning actions and processes from multi-channel data, analyzing how different groups interacted with their respective learning tools. They also used questionnaires to assess intrinsic motivation post-task, ensuring a comprehensive data collection approach. Despite the insightful findings, the study acknowledges some limitations, such as a relatively small gender-unbalanced sample size and the focus on a single type of task, writing. Future research could expand to more diverse tasks and larger cohorts to validate these insights further. The implications of this research are profound. As educational frameworks increasingly integrate AI, it's crucial to strike a balance, using AI to complement rather than replace the cognitive effort of students. Educational stakeholders need to design AI applications that encourage active, engaged learning rather than passive reliance. In conclusion, this study not only highlights the potential of AI like ChatGPT in enhancing task performance, but also warns of the pitfalls of over-reliance. This understanding is vital as we carve the future landscape of education in an AI-driven world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the intersection of AI and education. If you found our discussion valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to visit the Ministry of AI for our free courses, link in the description below. Until next time, keep learning.